All right. So we are going to do some stuff in Posit.Cloud. When you go to your workspace, sorry, the fall stats, learning statistics, and you have your play space organized so that you've got your bookmark in there for what you want to do. Then you type what you're going to do. So right now, if you Google outlier, given, median, and IQR, you get these formulas. And then the next step is to figure out how to code these. And so I'm going to hop over to program.r and go to the top, enter a few times to give me some space. Over here, I have Iowa soil loaded. And if I start typing Iowa, it pops up Iowa soil. And I can pick a column I wanted, like the high temperature. And from here, I can send it into the summary command and hit run. And then it gives me these numbers down here. And so I've got minimum, first quartile, median, mean, third quartile, and max. If I want to be able to use it like the median, I can do that directly if I wanted to. There's a median command. If I started typing med, it came up as median. If I run that, it just gives me that 61. If I go up above it and say I want to keep it, I call it med soil for median soil. And I hit run on that. I now have it saved over here, so I can use it if I want to. What I really want is to get my hand on that first quartile and third quartile so that I can use my formula here, because I need to know my IQR. And so I need to know my Q3 and my Q1. The most straightforward way to do it is to go ahead and just type it in, like 78, and Q1 is 39. I can hit play on those two. So they show up over here. However, it's like hard-coded in. So if my numbers change, then I have to change them by hand. But it will work if I need to. It's more fun if I can figure out how to pull the data directly. I didn't look that first, so I might be wrong, but I'm pretty sure if I do it this way and hit run, I get like all of the stuff. And I'm going to go up ahead. Oop, failed at that one. I'm going to call these skim results and run. And so now I've got like this new thing here. It showed up on my list. And if I do skim results, $, I have all of these things. P25 is secretly Q1. So if I just hit run on that, it pulled up 39, which is my Q1 from before. And so up above here, I'm going to put Q1 becomes skim results P25. And Q3 becomes skim results numeric P75. And so now I can figure out my IQR by making it Q3 minus Q1. And it shows up over there. And so I'm happy with these. These are doing exactly what I wanted. And so I can kill these because I actually don't care about them anymore. I only care about the skim results from Iowa soil high into the skim, which let me pull Q1 and Q3. Let me calculate my IQR. All right, now back to play space. So I have an IQR. My left bound has to be Q1 minus 1.5 times IQR. So left bound becomes Q1 minus 1.5 times IQR. And my right bound is Q3 plus 1.5 times IQR. And cosmetically, I want more space. So if I come over here and hit run, I have a left bound, I hit run again, I have a right bound. Okay, so this is the code I care about. Copy that, back to place space, come to where I want it to be, plus C, R, and paste. My screen's a little bit small. So now I can hit play. And it all did stuff that I can't see because it showed up over here and it showed up down there. And so now I've got what I needed, and my left bound is negative 19.5 and my right bound is 136.5. And I can check to see my minimum and my maximum. I can just pull this up because I did it a second ago. My minimum P0 was negative 16 and my left bound was negative 19.5, so I don't have any outliers on that end. And my right bound was 136 and this one was 104, so I don't have any outliers on that end. And so according to my median, I don't have any high temperature outliers. Okay, that's everything. See you later.